DJI has been steadily shaping the FPV space, and the Avata line is where practicality meets adrenaline. The original Avata introduced Synhoop safety with prop guards and immersive goggles, while the Avata 2 pushed further with a larger sensor, extended flight time, and smoother 4K recording. Now, whispers around the Avata 3 suggest DJI is preparing a more ambitious jump. Early sightings and regulatory filings hint at a redesigned frame, stronger propulsion, and perhaps a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K at 120 frames per second. Leaks show a slightly bulkier body that may allow for omnidirectional obstacle sensing and improved aerodynamics. Some reports even show flight times creeping past the 30-minute mark, a bold claim for an FPV platform. If accurate, this would place Avata 3 at the intersection of speed, cinematic quality, and safety. But whether those rumors hold is what everyone is watching closely. People who've flown the Avata 2 know its strengths: a 1/1.3-inch sensor, a solid 4K at 60 frames per second, HDR output, safe handling, prop guards, immersive goggles, and about 23 minutes of nominal flight time. Avata 3 from leaks looks to push each of those boundaries. First, the sensor. Multiple sources strongly suggest Avata 3 will adopt a 1-inch CMOS sensor, stepping up from Avata 2's 1/1.1-inch 3-inch and Avata's original 1/1.7-inch. That sensor jump would offer better low-light performance, wider dynamic range, and more detail, especially when you're shooting into the shadows or dusk. If paired with good optics and image processing, it could make a noticeable difference in clarity and noise. Rumors also point to Avata 3 supporting 4K video at 120 frames per second, compared to Avata 2's 4K at 60 frames per second. Some leaks speculated on possibly even higher slow motion rates under certain conditions, though those are less confirmed. So, sensor and video capabilities seem destined to be a big leap forward. In design, Avata 3 is rumored to retain much of the Synhoop style. Ducted propellers, prop guards, but with important tweaks. One leak suggests a 4-blade propeller configuration replacing the 3-blade props of Avata 2. That could mean more thrust, better control at high speed, or quieter operation if tuned well. The battery placement is rumored to be moved further back, making space up front for a larger nested camera module and allowing a more balanced center of gravity at higher speeds. Also, the front module looks larger and more robust in early prototype images, which suggests DJI is preparing for a more aggressive lens or cooling design. There's talk of all-directional obstacle sensing, potentially including LiDAR for forward collision avoidance in low light. If that's true, that's a design safety upgrade many users will welcome. Aside from 4K at 120 frames per second, rumors include higher bit rates, maybe 10-bit color depth, improved HDR, and an expanded internal storage over what Avata 2 offers. Avata 2 had about 46 gigabytes of internal storage. It's likely Avata 3 will match or exceed that to support more uncompressed, higher frame rate files. Improved transmission is talked about, stronger link stability under wind or interference, possibly longer range or higher quality video feed to goggles. As FPV drones are only as good as the view you get, that could be a major advantage. Also, flight time is expected to improve. Leaks suggest up to 30 minutes. Of course, real-world flight time will be lower with speed, wind, or obstacle avoidance sensors active. Features are rumored to include upgraded safety, omnidirectional obstacle detection, more robust return-to-home behavior, and emergency braking. Also, better firmware features, more intelligent flight modes, maybe improved low-light tracking, better stabilization, and improved goggles pairing. Some leaks mention DJI goggles for compatibility and perhaps ergonomic controllers or motion control enhancements. As for accessories, expect DJI to bundle or offer separately. Upgraded propeller sets, ND filters for cinema-style control, spare batteries, maybe even specialized mounting or camera upgrades. Also likely new or improved goggle set, perhaps upgraded lens inserts for the goggles, possibly a controller with improved motion sensors. There have also been rumors of a case redesign to carry the more robust camera module and better cooling or casing materials. Release date and price are still speculation. The strongest consensus is that Avata 3 will arrive in late 2025 to early 2026. Some rumors pushed for a summer 2025 announcement, But as of mid to late 2025, no official confirmation from DJI has been published. Pricing speculation is that the base unit might be between $1,200 to $1,500 US, depending on bundling, with top bundles including goggles, extra batteries, and paddles reaching higher. That is a premium over the Avata 2 launch price, but possibly justified if all upgrades deliver in practice. Alternatives do matter. Avata 2 remains strong. If you are less concerned about frame rate or top speed, Avata 2 gives you a proven system, solid image quality, safer handling, and an already mature ecosystem of accessories. Also, there are competitors. The recently released Mini 5 Pro for imaging drone use. Sure, it's not pure FPV, but strong video on a sub 250-gram class machine. Also, there are Neo 2 rumors and action cams from other brands. Depending on what you shoot, cinematic slow motion, indoor FPV, or outdoor speedruns, those alternatives might hit your needs with less cost or less risk. For example, if you want cinematic shots, maybe a high-end action cam or a sub 250-gram foldable drone gives you similar video quality with more portability. But if you want an immersive FPV experience, guards, goggles, speed, and agility, the Avata series is still among the top.